Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we have a phonics session. It is the last part of our lesson in the unit 5. So after this lesson, you are going to have a revision or a training to answer some question. Okay, answer to some question, but before that we have to practice this one. This is about the ending sound n and ending sound n and like the previous video, I will play you a listening about pronouncing some word, and then how to pronounce the rhyme, and then while you listen, you pause and then practice it yourself. You can practice about 2 until 3 times. After that, in the end of this lesson, you have to do the voice recording. Okay, you have to record yourself and then send me your voice note about practicing this word or this rhyme. Okay, let's have a listening from number 1.
Activity 19, track 65. Listen and repeat.
Can. Pen. Hen.
Activity 20, track 66. Listen to the rhyme. Listen for the ending n sound.
When you find an empty tin, just put it in the rubbish bin.
Activity 21, track 67. Listen and repeat.
Sam. Farm. Jam.
Activity 22, track 68. Listen to the rhyme. Listen for the ending sound.
Jim is slim, and so is Tim, but Tim is not as slim as Jim.
Now after you listen to the voice recording, this time you have to practice this one, and then after you think you are better on pronouncing it, you can start recording and then send me the voice note. Thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.